if you have been looking to build a simple funnel, then today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and if you stick around to the end I will give you a link to grab your 30-day free trial of HighLevel. Alright, so first of all we want to log into HighLevel and we're going to go to funnels. So on the left hand menu we're going down to sites on here, and then we are in funnels up here. So what I want you to do is create plus new funnel over here. We're going to just use a template. Go to the right hand button, click on from templates and click on continue. We want a simple opt-in funnel, so let's search under here. Let's say we're going to do a webinar. This is the template we want to use, and you need to have a form and a calendar down the bottom. Click on continue, and it's just setting up our template for us. Okay, so we want this to be on our own branding, so if we click on these buttons and you go down here, you can say these are the colors, the background color that I want. So maybe you have a lighter color like this, and that's for the header. And in here you want to put your title. All of these bits can be edited. You can change your image in here. If you want to upload your own image, you click on this button on the right hand side, and I have my logo already in here, so I'm going to click on the logo and click on insert media, and it's a little bit squashed, so I'm just going to pull it out like this. There we go. And in our title we want to change the title here, so if you want to zoom in a little bit on that just so you can see it, it could be free LinkedIn. So it's going to be a webinar about LinkedIn. And click on that and zoom out again. Click on here. I'm going to delete that button in there. In this section, in the subheadline, just check the font and everything is what you want it to be. The style, animations, general. Okay, so I'm going to put in the date. It's going to be Wednesday. Don't miss out, live training kicks off soon. Okay, and then just change your title to reflect whoever is going to work with your target audience. Okay, and we want to change the color of the background here to fit our branding. Let's say, there we go, a bit better. Make sure that your colors and fonts all match. Alright, so we're going to change the background color, I think. Make it, ooh, quite like the green. And I'm going to just delete that little subheading out of there. So to delete sections, just literally click on the delete button and add an element in here. So we probably add in a button here. Click to sign up and just check the colouring of that background colour. Let's do that as a, let's see, there we go, maybe a darker blue. Click to sign up. So, and this one, I would like this to be more central. How to get more leads and sales when you join this free training to discover the top strategy for creating an amazing webinar for discover how LinkedIn really works for business. Okay, so you put your timer in to get more people coming. Join the free webinar, and then it says down here you want to change this to say who's going to be hosting the webinar. Change all of these different sections down here, so who's coming, what are they going to learn. Change your media in here and make sure that it fits. And then this bit here you're going to write down, you edit all of these sections to entice people why they should be joining you. Your host down here. All of these sections are editable. If you don't want to use them, you just literally delete them like this. Put your logo in here. Again, go back to the images over here and just select your media. Okay, you just remove the different sections. Okay, so removing the column. So the purple is the column, the blue is the row. There we go, and that's now central. And in here, you're just going to change all these different sections for your webinar host. Just make sure the width is fitting your actual picture, and then change the details. LinkedIn expert. So free LinkedIn masterclass, click to sign up. Don't miss out, live training kicks off soon. Join the free webinar. We're going to remove this guy James. Okay, so I'm going to copy this text here I'm going to put it in here. There we go. And then I'm going to copy and put a third one down below. Okay. So is this masterclass right for me and my business? Do you struggle to generate leads? Your target audience are on LinkedIn. So you're going to think of key things that are going to attract people to want to sign up to talk to you. Then in here, we're going to just put in, you know, some information about you. There. So that is our webinar registration page. And we're going to click Save at the top right hand here. And section changes being made. There we go. Then over on the left hand side, SEO metadata. So you want to make sure that you have got a page title. And the author is, just fill out these sections. Click Save. So I'm going to publish that page. And we want to make sure you're selecting that you have your domain registered. And so basically it walks you through every single step in the funnel here. So your thank you page, your registration page, and it's just a matter of going into each one and clicking on edit. So webinar registration page, for example, you know, it's pulling across LinkedIn Masterclass, click to sign up, and you just want to edit all of these different sections. As you go through it all, you click save each time. Remember to do your SEO metadata and click back. And walk yourself through each step of the funnel. So it does take a bit of time to create and set up, but you can also delete a funnel step if you want. Let me know how you get on, guys. There are lots and lots of funnels on HighLevel that you can play around with, and you literally go to new funnel, from templates, continue, and just click a nice simple template. You also go to what is the most popular ones. And elementary is actually a really good one. It's just a simple, all you need is a form, nice and simple. So it's just a 2-step lead generation funnel, and you can star the ones that you want to play around with. So lots of great funnels available in there for generating leads, appointments, and receiving payments. Have a play around with it in your 30-day trial and see what funnels you can build. I've got an upside down funnel here, which is the one for our, just show you, click on visit funnel URL. It's my YouTube workshop for small business funnel, and this is what it looks like in reality. So yeah, it's really great. You can set up lots of different funnels. This one, you literally go and pay. So really interested to see how you get on, but because there's so many templates in HighLevel, that is what makes the difference. And all you need to do is set up your free account, go in, have a play around, and just test out one feature. This is the one feature I'm working with this month, creating your own funnels. And yeah, let me know how you get on in the comments below.